Welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today we're doing some cooking. Some fancy cooking. You've probably never seen this before in your life. This idea came from a buddy of mine from Foleyet, Ontario. I never seen it before and I said, you know what, I'm going to show everybody how to do this on the Blackstone grill. He used a big huge cast iron frying pan. I'm using the Blackstone grill and this is an upside down lumberjack burrito. And all you need is some of these shells here, and I'm going to show you some that's just going to blow your mind. I'm going to get all the ingredients over there on the other side of the shop, and we're going to start cooking. You guys are going to get a treat you never seen before in your life. Let's get to it. Well, here we go right here. Guys, does this look simple to you or what? All we've got is 2 eggs that are beaten up. We've got some red peppers. We'll just throw them in. We got the bacon, just some bacon cut up. You could see it's 3 strips actually of bacon. Now this is for one person. A buddy of mine cooked 6 of these in his cast iron frying pan, rolled them up in tin foil until they were all finished, and they were terrific. And onion. Now if you don't like onion, you don't got to put so much onion in, but I like onion. This here, mozzarella, we'll put that on later. This is my chili peppers. He liked the chili peppers, and so do I. We'll put some chili peppers in there, and some regular black pepper. All we do is we just mix this right up, and then we're going to go over to the Blackstone griddle, and I'm going to show you something you've never seen before in your life. Let's get to it right now. Okay, so there's the Blackstone griddle there, and I just thought I'd mention before I start here. I got it on high. And how do you know which temperature to cook at when you're using the Blackstone griddle? Well, I'll tell you what, you need one of these. You need one of these heat guns. And I got it pointed, I only got the left side on there. And get you in the shot there, you could see. There it is right about there. So she's about 240, 245. When it gets up to about 325, that's what I like to cook at. You can't leave it on high. And what I noticed is you're going to have to put it down right down low on the bottom setting to get that kind of temperature. Okay, you ready? Here we go. It's all mixed up in here. All you do is you take it, put it right on the grill like this. There you go. Spread it out a bit like this. Boom. Throw that right on top just like that. I'll bring you back in a couple of seconds after this has all been started to cook, and we'll see how she looks. Okay, so there's a side shot right there, and you could see it doesn't take a lot of time, and all you're doing is you're just waiting until it's all starting to congeal on the bottom. Only takes a couple of minutes. I would say tops about 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes. Just enough so that the egg cooks. And then you just kind of use your spatula to go all the way around. And you're probably wondering, okay, so doesn't all the ingredients have to be cooked first usually, and they put them on the other side and then throw it on top? Well, this is a little bit different, isn't it? This is completely upside down. So now what we do, we get both of the spatulas. I'll just show you here. So we just get both of the spatulas, put one underneath here, one underneath here. Make sure you got all the ingredients in there. Just kind of move it around a bit. Flip her over. There she is right there. Now we put the mozzarella on it. Just, there you go guys. Dump her on, just dump her on. Get it on. There we go. Kind of mix it around a bit here. And then we roll it up and plate it. And guys, that's pretty much it right there. I'll bring you back after it's all plated. Well, there we go. I just took it off the grill. We'll just cut her in half. There you go there. Is that nice and gooey? Guys, I'm going to do a little bit of a flavor test here right in front of you and let you see how good this is. Okay, now how long did that take from the time I started to the time I plated it? Roughly 5 minutes. Here they are here. And guys, oh my God. These are to die for. And what? Well, lots of cheese. I like lots of cheese too. Okay, you're not supposed to eat when you're making a vid, I think. But the whole idea behind these is, yeah, you put your ingredients on, then you put the shell over top. It sticks to it really good. I was surprised. And my buddy does not like to cook all his vegetables to pieces. And I like them like this too. I don't like them all like pre-cooked like mush. I like to be able to have the nice texture of the vegetables. You can mix and match whatever kind of ingredients you like. But this is so easy. And he would do 6 of these at a time. Only take about 5 minutes each. And he had like a fair size container with a ladle. And he just multiplied these ingredients all by 6. And he got 2 scoops. Everybody got 2 scoops. And he would just throw the shell on top there. And I tell you what, they are to die for. You guys try it yourself and see what you think. And the hot peppers are nice. The chili peppers in there. You'd think that it'd be too hot, but it's not. It's just got a little bit of kick to it, and I like a little bit of kick. So thanks for joining me here today on another Cooking with Steve Robb. A little bit different. You guys take care. Come back again. If you haven't seen this channel before, well, you're quite welcome to subscribe. Cheers.